Montego Bay comes alive on this Christmas day. The vendors are out, the music is bubbling, the taxi men are looking, their passengers. And now we are on Barnett Street. To the left is the Trinity Mall. Island Max here again. We're in Green Pond in Montego Bay and we're heading straight into the town center. How is everyone doing? Thank you so much for joining in, for tuning in. This is the Christmas Day special. Yeah man, Christmas Day in Montego Bay. It's a quiet Christmas. It is cool though. It is very cool. We can feel the Christmas breeze. Persons are out going to church this beautiful morning. It's about 10 a.m. and this is what Green Pond here in Montego Bay looks like. The streets are quiet. Persons are having their family time. Few drivers are on the road. Children are happy they're getting their presents. For the families that can afford it right now. As you know, Jamaica is coming out of recovery from Hurricane Melissa. Things are a bit tight, but we have to find a way to enjoy the spirit of Christmas. You know, it kind of feels a bit surreal. You know, the morning is a bit bleak. We had a little drizzle early in the morning. We had some rains, but that's usual. We always have the Christmas rains. Lovely. Place is quite quiet and cool right now. The road here is narrow. We take our time around the corners. So let me know who's watching the video and where you're watching from on this beautiful Christmas day. Merry Christmas to you all, my viewers and subscribers. As I reflect on this year, what has happened and the support that I have received, the support that Jamaica in general has received from overseas, you know, World Central Kitchen and other organizations have really stepped up to helping Jamaica during this difficult period. But we have to give thanks. We give thanks on this Christmas day. Thank you all so much. So we're just passing the entrance to Albion Lane, and we're about a minute out from the heart of Montego Bay. Again, our super chat feature is enabled. Yeah man, you can send your gifts via super chat. We appreciate it. Thank you so much. Here we are now in the heart of Montego Bay, but we're gonna head down now to the Sam Sharp Square. Very popular tourist hotspot. So we are now on Union Street. The blue building there is the Parish Council building, the St. James Municipal Corporation building. As you can see, persons are out, man. Here we are, man. You can get a better feel of the city of Montego Bay. Police are out, the taxi men are looking, their passengers, and it's just a beautiful morning. All right, we got the green light. And here we are now on St. James Street, and this is where Montego Bay comes alive on this Christmas day. The decorations are out. The fountain is up and running. Let me get closer to the fountain. The police are out as well. Look at it, the vendors are out. This is the true Christmas spirit here in Montego Bay, man. See persons taking picture there. Merry Christmas from the St. James Municipal Corporation. Lovely little photo booth there right beside the Christmas tree. Look at this. The vendors are out. The music is bubbling. See Christmas here? Who said that Christmas didn't come to Montego Bay? This is it. Yeah, man. Look at it. The vendors line the street here on St. James Street. More sellers than buyers. Notice that's a trend throughout Jamaica. You know, Santa Cruz Grand Market, all the grand markets, more sellers than buyers. Just look at it. What is happening? Is this the trend going forward? Or it's just that we're coming out of a hurricane period. Persons don't have that cash, that spare cash to go shopping like before. Notice, there seems to be a roadblock ahead. Yeah, man, the road is blocked. See the police trying to direct the traffic there, way up front. Traffic coming to a standstill. What is happening up top? The vendors are actually in the road. See the St. James Municipal Corporation team. They are out, you know, trying to get some normalcy and order along St. James Street here. Yeah, man, the vendors have taken over the street basically. Alright, so we're moving a bit now. Again, remember to subscribe to the channel, man. We appreciate it so much. This community has been growing. I'm keeping you updated on what's happening in Jamaica, in Montego Bay, in Western Jamaica. Look at this. The vendors have taken over the streets. We're moving. So it's both food vendors, person selling clothes, shoes. I'm telling you, it's chaos. More vendors than buyers, I'm telling you. Fruit vendors out selling on a pineapple, melon, even have cabbage. Have everything there on the little pickup truck. Come on guys, let's go. So the St. James Street has turned into a car park, an arcade, a little shopping center. You know, they take it over, man. And then to make matters worse, the garbage truck is there in front of us. They are actively collecting garbage now. So that's why there's so much traffic here. Alright, so we're approaching now the end of St. James Street. See if we can catch this green light. And now we are on Barnett Street. To the left is the Trinity Mall, and the bus park. Again, head to the comments and let me know who's watching. Look at that, the police are out in their full force, man. Trying their best to maintain order. See if we can catch this other green light here. Straight ahead is the Pier 1 popular restaurant, and we're now on the Howard Cook Boulevard. Catch this green light. Nice. So the sun coming up now and the place just brightens. If you love Jamaica, man, tap that like button if you love Jamaica. Turn on the notifications when you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out when we drop these and other fun and interesting videos. So the Reggae Wall of Fame is on the right. We're gonna head through West Green here. This is one of the hardest hit areas from Hurricane Melissa. A lot of mud, debris were left in these streets here on West Green Avenue. You can see the remnants. And again, construction is actively going on here as part of the Montego Bay Perimeter Road project. Persons are out trying to clean up, trying to fix whatever things got damaged in the hurricane. It's still a mess in these parts. More work is needed to help the residents here clean up. Persons are still sweeping out mud. It's not so bad like before though. So the community is called Catherine Hall, and we're heading down now to West Green. Look at the amount of mud and rubble on the left. Again, I've been lobbying for Jamaica to have a national cleanup day sometime in January. Hope the Prime Minister will have an initiative like that where everybody can come on board to help clean up Jamaica. Alright, so we are now in West Green. Thank you again so much for sharing in this video here on Christmas Day 2025 in Montego Bay. Thank you so much again. God bless you. Subscribe, like, share, comment. Trust me, man, we have a lot in store. See you in the next video. Make sure you check out all the videos on our channel. God bless.